this one before. What's up, Deek? Relax Shacks, Odd USA. We are out, my brother and I, Dustin, he's behind the camera. We are in near Aquila, New Mexico, kind of near Deming, New Mexico, in the desert. The nearest house, when I say house, I don't know if anyone's actually living there, is a couple miles away. We are way out there. Hanging out at a cabin that was just something I designed and built by Sam and Lynsi Underwood of the Small Dwelling Company. So we're camping out here, picked up some gear locally in town, which is, when I say in town, that's like 30 miles away. And there's no wood out here. It's the desert. There's really no trees. Here's a couple bushes. Here's a stick left over from I don't know what. But there are a lot of free range or free roaming cattle in the area, meaning there are cow patties everywhere. And I've seen it on Survivor Man with Les Stroud, a couple other shows. You know, I'm into that stuff as well. Cow patties, which sit in the desert sun and are more or less compacted grass, and they've certainly dried out. Make good fire, quote unquote, wood. This fire right here entirely is cow patties, and they don't stink at all. See, we're just walking around the desert, and there's a lot of them finding cow patties, and that's our fire and our heat and our entertainment for tonight here in the desert. Chihuahuan Desert, we're not really sure. I should look that up. The middle of nowhere. Just a little tip for some of you who might be out in the desert thinking, I can't find firewood.